People think we're lying when we say this nose clip helps you breathe in 10 times more oxygen. About 80% of our population mouth breathes. When you mouth breathe, your tongue leans backwards, which obstructs your airways. That obstruction then leads to you snoring. This clip is going to apply a gentle pressure to your septum. That slight pressure is going to open up your nasal passages and allow oxygen to flow at a much higher rate. Now that filtered air is going through your nostrils, there will be a major reduction in any snoring or mouth breathing.